Welcome to another PLS Minute. I'm Josh Decker and I'll be your host today. As we continue our education in Lighting 301, we will be discussing distribution patterns, NEMA beam angles, dark sky regulations, and bug ratings. Let's begin with site lighting distribution patterns. Type 2 fixtures have a wide distribution and are intended for installations where the fixture is placed at the edge of a wide path, sidewalk, or roadway. These fixtures light an area up to 7 times wider than the mounting height of the fixture. For example, if the fixture is 20 feet high, it will cast light up to 140 feet wide on the area below. Type 3 light distribution also casts light about 7 times wider than the mounting height of the fixture, but has more depth. These fixtures should be placed along the sides of the area to be lit, allowing the light to project outward, such as the perimeters of parking areas and roadways. A fixture with Type 3 distribution mounted to a 20-foot pole will cast light about 140 feet in width from the light source. Type 4 light distribution fixtures are known as forward throw or asymmetric fixtures. These light fixtures will cast light 6 times wider than their height, but they will produce more rounded distribution pattern that pushes the light forward, with little light falling behind the fixture. Common applications are building exteriors, along with the perimeter of parking areas and installations where you have multiple fixtures on a pole. Type 5 light fixtures distribute light evenly around all sides of the fixture at 6 times wider than their mounting height. They come in either square or circular patterns and are often used in general parking areas. Let's move on to NEMA beam angles. The National Electrical Manufacturer Association, or NEMA, establishes standards for the electrical industry. NEMA beam angle types helps us to standardize the way we measure the light distribution of outdoor fixtures. This classification system is based on 7 beam types that indicate the beam angle at 2 planes of light, the horizontal and vertical beam spreads. This chart shows degrees and descriptions for each NEMA type to help you decide what is best for your application. These images are just a few examples of the NEMA characteristics and configurations available. Dark sky compliance is a designation given to outdoor lighting fixtures that meet specific requirements to minimize light pollution, light trespass, glare, and offensive light sources. With more new construction and outdoor lighting being installed, light pollution has become an increasing issue. Dark sky is a regulation that helps to reduce this issue. The color of light is important as well. Blue-rich lighting brightens the night sky more than warm-colored lighting, and researchers are beginning to connect the blue light emission to negative health effects in people and greater problems for wildlife. The International Dark Sky Association, or IDA, recommends using lighting with a color temperature of 3000 Kelvin or less. These are some typical lighting examples. The one on the left is non-compliant. There's lots of glare and too much uplight. The second one is also non-compliant, although using a lid does help to eliminate some uplight. The third one is better. It has an internal refractor to eliminate more uplight, but it's still not perfect. The fourth fixture provides the best solution, having a lid for a light source built in and is facing downward, which gives you a dark sky compliance. Look at that difference. This is why dark sky compliance is important. Have you ever heard of a bug rating? The bug rating of a luminaire determines how much light trespass a fixture produces. The bug rating replaced the old measuring system known as the cutoff system around 2005, and it's more comprehensive, taking backlight, uplight, and glare into account. This diagram shows a more technical view of the bug rating. Each zone is divided into degrees with a description of the level of trespass in each direction. Glare deals with forward light, such as FVH, being forward very high. The images to the right depict the three components of the bug rating plus the useful light of the fixture. The useful light is the area you want to be lit, the most important result of the fixture. Taking a closer look at these examples with the bug rating in mind, a proper bug rating can maximize a fixture's effectiveness and minimize light trespass from backlight. Both installations are lighting the same area, which again is known as useful light. The top full cutoff fixture maximizes its light distribution and has little to no wasted light. The bottom light fixture produces excessive uplight and wastes a good portion of its forward light past the area to be lit. The byproduct of this is also increased direct glare. Remember, you don't want to bug your neighbors. Get it? Never mind. Wow, we have covered a lot of information. We appreciate your time and we hope this has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us at any time. Have a great day.